turn on your activity status or to turn it off because you need some privacy, just head on to the Rednote app and open it up. Now at the bottom you're going to see 4 icons: home icon, video icon, message icon, and me icon. Head on to tap on the me icon, then you scroll up a bit and you're going to see the settings icon, which is a gear cog. Tap on it. So this interface will pop up, so you head on to locate the option privacy settings. Tap on it, and here you see the activity status. Mine is on public, so you tap on the public option, and here you can decide who you want to limit your activity status to. If you want to limit it to only friends, that is visible to followers and people you follow, you tap on friends and you see the red check mark on it. Or if you want to entirely turn it off, you can tap on off so as to close your activity status. Also, if you want to leave it public, that is, you want to turn it on visible to all regardless of people being your followers or not, you tap on public. So here you have the option to select whichever that suits your preference. So this is how you turn on the activity status or you turn it off. It depends on what you want at the moment. If you got value in this video, do also like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on our subscribe content. Thank you, and we'll see you in our next video. Later.